Hello, Aquarius. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be for July 1st to the 15th for you. We will be looking at the present situation, and basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome for the next 15 days. So, if the current situation resonates, then pretty much the next 15 days will also resonate with you. I'll be closing it off with a couple of oracle cards from the universe. Also, remember while watching this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So, take what resonates and leave what does not. Okay, let's begin. Let's see what's going on with you, Aquarius. Aquarius. Alright. Let's see what's going on with you. Eight of Swords. The World. Knight of Wands. Some confusion is coming to an end. You feel some kind of a passion for something, but I think there was a lot of things in your head and in your mind, and right now also still there, because we are looking at the present energies, but that is moving towards an end. This whole confusion, this whole drama is coming to an end. And you're a lot in your mind right now, Aquarius. You're thinking a lot, and that could be the reason what is stopping you from taking action. Let me clarify these cards. Eight of Swords. Judgment. Wow. The World. I just thought this will be clarified by the World, and the World came out. I don't know how this works. Knight of Wands. The Star. What is the World about? Nine of Cups. Okay, so I feel that you're waiting for some sort of clarity in your life, and that clarity is coming slowly. Slowly, you are understanding what you are meant to do and what you are meant to be. Okay, it could have been a very long process, but it is how it is, because the world is usually a cycle. This cycle had to take place, and that's what is happening here. You could have been trapped about some sort of clarity, because judgment usually is awakening, it's reconciliation. So maybe you're waiting for someone subconsciously and you don't really know if this is going to work out, but it will, because you're getting there. Okay, you're kind of getting there. You are waiting, you don't know what it is, but I think it's a situation where I wouldn't say that you're very unhappy or anything, but there is a small feeling of discomfort. Okay, but that's also going gradually. All right, so if this resonates, let's see what's coming in the next 15 days for you, Aquarius. Next 15 days for Aquarius. All right, let's see what's coming for you. Five of Cups. Three of Cups. Six of Cups. Lot of cups here. I see you would be missing some good times, okay? And this is a very emotional thing. Um, this is like some good time that you had with someone. You would be missing that. Let me see what's happening though. Let's clarify. Five of Cups, Ace of Wands, and Five of Wands. Mixed feelings. You want it and you don't want it. You want something and you're still conflicted. You're not sure if you should move in that direction or you should stop. You don't know. Let's see the Three of Cups. The Fool, Page of Wands, Six of Cups. Clarified by Six of Cups. What is happening in your reading? Nine of Wands and Six of Wands. Could be a third party situation which you probably put an end to, although you feel a lot of passion, but you're conflicted and you still will be, I guess. Even though you miss it, but still you think it is not worth it because it will still be the same. So you will be battling those emotions only, is what I'm seeing. You miss this person, definitely, the memories that you've spent with this person, but you're guarded. At this point, you're very guarded, I'm seeing. You are not, you're moving towards that clarity about differentiating emotions. I feel you will understand that that particular connection that appeared just now is a lot about happiness, that you felt nice and light, but that is not what you're seeking. You're seeking something bigger, something fulfilling, this doesn't fulfill you. And I'm seeing that somebody might reach out to you and you might ignore it or something because you're very confused right now. As I said, that there is a certain picture on your mind, in your mind, and that is what you want. So I see someone reaching out to you within this 15 days, but I still see you confused. I don't know if you'll be able to decide to continue or leave it because you are in that energy of confusion. That's what I'm seeing. So let's see what is the advice for you here. Commander Ashtar, call to action. Take charge, lead by example, walk your talk. So there's a saying called practice what you preach. Probably you're not doing that. Now I don't know, like if you still feel that you don't want this, then don't. And leave it completely. But if there is still a 10% of you which still feels you want it, then go ahead and see that 10% also. Okay, because that will keep troubling you otherwise. Let's see what else is the advice for you here. Listening. Balancing. So here I am seeing listening is a power. Maybe listen to this person. What does this person have to say? And balance yourself accordingly. That is what I'm seeing. I do feel that this conflict is not ending in the next 15 days also. So let the conflict be there till you get a resolution, but listen to this person if they have something to say. Alright, Aquarius, so that is what I have for your reading. I hope this gave you the clarity that you're seeking, just in case if you were. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, guys, you can check me out on Instagram. I do daily 3 card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. Take care, and I shall see you soon again. Bye.